Module 1. Why small habits change your life. Lesson 1. Big changes start small. Many people want to improve their lives. Some dream of better health. Others want more money. Some want to feel happier and calmer. Almost everyone wants to change something. But there is one problem. People often wait for a special moment. They tell themselves, I will start on Monday. I will start next month. I will start when I have more time. Sometimes this waiting lasts for years. As a result, nothing changes. In reality, big changes rarely happen in one day. Most good results appear little by little, step by step, day by day. That is why small habits are so important. A habit is an action that we repeat regularly. At first, an action takes effort, but over time, it becomes part of our life. For example, a person decides to walk for 10 minutes every day. 10 minutes may seem very small, but after 1 month, the person is walking every day. After a few months, the person feels more active. There is more energy. One small habit slowly creates a big result. The same idea works in many areas of life. If you read only 5 pages of a book each day, you can finish several books in 1 year. If you save a small amount of money every week, you can build useful savings over time. If you learn a few new words in a foreign language every day, your vocabulary will grow. Many people do not understand the power of small actions. They think small steps do not matter, but small steps create big achievements. Imagine a staircase. You cannot reach the 10th floor in 1 step. First, you take the first step, then the second, then the third. Every big goal is reached this way. There is another important rule. Do not aim for perfection. Aim for consistency. It is better to practice for 5 minutes every day than for 1 hour once a month. It is better to do a little than to do nothing. Even the smallest step moves you closer to your goal. The main idea of this lesson is very simple. Do not try to change your whole life in 1 day. Choose one small useful action. Start today, repeat it tomorrow, then do it again. Over time, this small habit will become part of your life, and then big results will begin to appear. Practice exercise. Take a piece of paper or a notebook. Write down one habit that you want to build. Keep it very simple. For example, walk for 10 minutes, drink 1 extra glass of water, read 5 pages of a book, do 5 minutes of light exercise, write down your daily expenses. Do this action every day for 1 week. Do not try to do more. Your goal is simple. Do not miss a single day. In the next lesson, we will learn why consistency is more important than motivation.